Hey guys, Dakota with the gun ball here. As you can see, getting started on the range today. At least the backstop for the range. Got a lead on some telephone poles. Gonna be cutting these things down to about 10-foot sections, and we're gonna haul them out to the range, get these things stacked up, and should make for a nice backstop. All right, guys, I was able to get these things all cut up into 10-foot sections here. Started getting them loaded on the trailer. I'll finish getting these things loaded up here and we'll get headed out to the farm and get some posts in the ground and get these things stacked up. All right, guys, everything's cut up, ready to haul out of here. Got some 4x4s as well. We're gonna put those in the ground to kind of hold the wall in place. But yeah, if you're wondering why I'm breathing heavy and sweating like crazy, it's 80 plus degrees out here and humid as hell. So let's get this over with. Well, guys, we're gonna call it quits for the day here. It's been quite the day. I'm pretty well whooped. I think my back's gonna be putting me on the couch for tomorrow, so it'll be a good day just to relax. So here we are. Here's the finished product. Like I said, it's about 6 foot tall and turned out just how I expected. I'm super happy with it. I'll end up getting some boards put across the top and hopefully get a couple loads of dirt in here to either fill in the front or fill in the back. I haven't decided yet, but get a couple more of these steel targets hung and a couple frames for paper targets and we'll be set. But one more thing, I mean, we can't leave without shooting a couple targets at least. You know, we got to test it out. So we're gonna go load up some rounds and test it out.